Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a sad donut. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here. I'm going to start by drawing the big oval shape. That's the donut's body. And it's a big long line. So take your time, and you can always pause if you need more time. And it goes all the way around like this and back up to the top. Down from the top, let's draw a smaller oval, starting right about here. And we'll go around and then connect it back together. And then to give it some shape, we'll do a little curved line like that shows the inside of the donut. All right, now let's do the frosting or icing on top of the donut. So starting over here on this side of the donut, we're going to do a wavy line up and down and then back up, and then we're going to pause there and we're going to draw one of the eyes. And this is, since it's a sad donut, we're not going to complete this eye circle. We're just going to go like that. And then we're going to keep the frosting going. So then a wavy line down like this and then back up. And let's do another eye here. And that's another circle, but we're not going to finish it off like that. And then on that side, we'll keep the icing going, and it's a wavy line down, then up, and then back up like that. And let's finish the eyes. We'll do some sad eyebrows. So they're turned lines like this, and we'll give them a little bit of thickness like that. And then one on this side with a little thickness. And now let's add some highlights. And it's a smaller circle on each one, and let's color it in. Okay, now let's draw the sad mouth, and this is just down in the middle here. We're just going to do a curved line up and over like this. And now let's do some tears coming out of the eyes. And these are tear shaped, and they're kind of like that. And then one on the other side. Like that. Okay, now let's do the arms and legs. So starting down here, we'll do one of the legs, and it's just a curved line down. And then kind of a oval shape that goes back up to the back of the leg. And we'll start over here. We'll start with the back of the leg this time. And then we'll curve around. And we'll have it overlap a little. And have the other leg come down like that. And now let's do the arms and hands. So over here on the side, we'll do a curved line like this. And then we'll do the fingers. 1, 2, 3, the thumb, and then the line back up, and then this one over here, 2, 3, and then back up like that. And now let's add some sprinkles on top of this donut, and we'll just put those anywhere you'd like. They're kind of like curved rectangles. You can put them anywhere you'd like. I love how this drawing is coming together.
Let's color it in.
I'm going to make my body and my donut kind of a light brown color. And the arms and hands too, and legs will be brown. But you can make yours any color you want. But we'll do a different color for the icing and tears. And we'll do pink for the icing. I wonder why this donut's so sad. We should do brown back here inside the donut shape too, to show the back inner side of the donut. And we'll do purple sprinkles. And we'll do blue for the tears. Don't forget to sign your doodle.
Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.